Hey there, guitar enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of the STRICH electric guitar beginner kit, a perfect blend of classic tone and modern performance. This full-size 39-inch electric guitar features 3 single-coil pickups that deliver a bright and clear sound, ideal for rock, blues, and pop. With its versatile sound, you can easily switch from crisp cleans to gritty overdrive, thanks to multiple knobs and switches for precise tonal adjustments. The sleek black body with white and silver accents offers a timeless style, while its solid wood construction ensures durability and reliable performance for years to come. Built for comfort and playability, the STRICH guitar boasts a smooth neck and quality hardware for tuning stability, allowing you to focus on your music. Plus, the complete accessory kit includes everything you need to start playing right away, from a mini amplifier to a digital tuner and more. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your musical horizons, the STRICH electric guitar beginner kit has you covered. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.